हेलो यू गाइस, जून खत्म हो गया है, जुलाई आ गया है, तो हम हमारे जून मूवीज का रैप अप करते हैं. I'll rate each of the films. Watch it if you want to know what films I've watched. Okay, let's get started. For the first film we have Mamma Mia 1 and Mamma Mia 2. Now, मैंने ये मूवी देखी थी मेरिल स्ट्रीप के लिए. इट इज़ अ वेरी म्यूजिकल फिल्म. उसमें बहुत अच्छे म्यूजिक एल्बम्स है. फर्स्ट पार्ट आई वुड रेट 6.2 आउट ऑफ 10. और सेकेंड पार्ट को मैं कुछ भी रेट नहीं करना चाहूँगी. आई वोंट से इट्स अ बैड मूवी. नो मूवी इज बैड, ओके, बट आई वुड नॉट वॉच इट. लाइक नहीं देखा होता तो भी चलता, वैसे टाइप की थी सेकेंड पार्ट. फर्स्ट पार्ट फिर भी ठीक है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत अच्छे म्यूजिकल आ रहे. ओके, सो सेकेंड अप वी हैव किल. Oh my god, you guys must have seen my reaction on that film, right? मेरे को किसी भी I don't really like when there is extremism in terms of action, in terms of anything that is exceeding a limit. I don't watch, I don't prefer watching. That's my take. Okay, so Kill I didn't really I won't say कि सब देखो ही देखो, but I would rate it 5.6 out of 10. So it was a good movie. I loved Raghav. I loved Lakshay. जो जिसने फीमेल लीड का रोल प्ले किया, I feel she was very good. Okay, so up next we have विकी क्रिस्टीना बार्सिलोना. इतना बड़ा नाम है, but ये मैंने देखी थी because of the star cast of the movie. Now there was Penelope Cruz, Javier Baldwin. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name right, but Penelope Cruz, उसके पति, and Scarlett Johansson थी in the movie, so I had to watch it. Transcendence में जो जॉनी डेप के अपोजिट में है फीमेल लीड, she was also there. So if you enjoy understanding complex relationship and how to handle things in a relationship, or what type of different things can come across you when you are in a relationship, अगर ऐसा कुछ आपको देखना है, कुछ अलग देखना है, not a happy or a lovey-dovey relationship वाला, तो you can watch this. I would rate it 4.2 out. Up next we have 140 की Last Local. Now this is a very underrated Bollywood movie. Abhay Deol and Neha Dhupia were so great. Their chemistry was really good. In the start they just they keep lying to each other in terms of looking good, कि यार मैं ऐसा बोल दूंगा तो मैं cool लगूंगी, मुझसे पट जाएगी. But how the story unfolds, it's a very good movie. It's a very good movie. Mystery है, comedy है और drama है. So what else would you ask? और Abhay Deol, I mean, he can never go wrong, right? So it's a very good underrated comedy drama thriller movie. Watch it. Next, मैंने rate किया उसको. I would rate it 6.5 out of 10. Up next we have The Place Beyond Pines. Now, I am not sure how I feel about this movie. Interval के पहले it feels that I'm watching a different movie, and interval के बाद I feel that I'm watching a different movie. Now, I watched the movie primarily for Bradley Cooper and Ryan Gosling. Obviously, अभी Eva Mendes भी है उसमें, and I heard that they had some chemistry before the movie they started to shoot. So वो उसमें काफ़ी अच्छे से दिख रहे that their chemistry is really good, but I would not recommend it to you. I would rate it 4.2 out of 10. It's a good movie, but not my taste. Up next we have Atonement. Bhai, this movie has given me trauma. After watching Kill, this was the only movie that has stayed in my head in a different manner. I'm not happy about it. I will not go to people and recommend this movie. This is that type of a movie. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है मूवी का स्टोरी क्या है. It's about atonement, गलती का पश्चाताप. I hope you guys understand. I watched it for Keira Knightley, obviously, and Saoirse Ronan. She is amazing. How can a child be so good at everything? वो एक बच्ची है Saoirse Ronan, but she's still good. Applause for her. Catch. I would rate it movie-wise. Overall movie-wise, I would rate it a solid 5.9 on 10. But according to my taste, I would rate it a 5. It's a good movie. Up next, we have Pride and Prejudice. Now, I did not know. I know a lot of people must feel कि क्या है, this is a very overrated movie, या people have said many good things about this movie. तू क्या बोलेगी? But trust me, hear me out. I only guessed what would be the story of the movie by the name of the movie. But I got surprised when I watched it. I felt like I'm watching a period romance comedy drama, which is not contemporary, right? So I loved it. I loved it. Please इसकी वजह से आप लोग distract मत हो जाना, मेरे ऊपर अपना ध्यान रखना. Okay, so yeah, I really loved it. मुझे बहुत पसंद आई कियारा नाइटली. Mr. Darcy, oh my god, like ever since I've watched the film, I'm just talking with everyone. Mr. Darcy, I'm trying to nail the accent as well, but yeah, I'm known here. But it's a very good. If you guys love rom-coms, if you love period dramas, then you must watch it. I would rate it a 10 on 10 any single day. Then up next we have Erin Brockovich. Now I loved it. I am a feminist. I will stand up for women anytime, any day, whatsoever. And the fact that this movie is based on a true story, I want more people to know about it and watch it, especially men, because only then they'll know what is the hardship. I don't want to give spoilers, but please watch it. It's a very good movie. If you looking forward to watch any biopics, then this is a great one. Go ahead with it. I would rate it a 9.8 on 10. Okay. Up next we have That at the Funeral. Now I've not watched this movie in one go. I did not just sat and watch the whole movie and then got up. I was doing something in between, and yet the movie made me laugh. I'd not say I was rolling on the floor laughing, but it made me laugh. It made me happy, and it's a good movie. That is Gamora. I don't remember what's her actual name, but yeah, she's there. King Zach was there. I don't happen to remember any other name of the cast, but yeah, if you're looking for a comedy movie, light-hearted, you can go ahead with this one. I would rate it a 6.8 out of 10. Up next we have Four Weddings and a Funeral. Now I watched this movie for Hugh Grant. I thought if you listen to the name Four Weddings and a Funeral, you feel कि कुछ तो interesting होगा, but nothing as interesting was there in the movie. It is just a rom-com which is not executed well. I feel the story they should have worked more hard on. The casting was on point, the direction was on point. There were really good songs in the movie, but it didn't make me feel the things that it should have, like Pride and Prejudice and other 10 Things I Hate About You, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, that type of a rom-com. It was not that type. So yeah, I would rate it, did I rate it? If not, then I would rate it 5.2 on 10. Okay, now there are only 2 movies left, and this video is getting really big. Like I can see it has crossed 8 minutes already. So you guys need to watch it in the next part. Subscribe for it, guys. You guys need to. Why don't you guys understand? It's so easy. There's this button इधर पे बाजू में मेरे username के बाजू में subscribe. You just have to hit it, guys. Come on, guys. कर दो, guys. Okay. So up next we have Raincoat. Now I have already made a dedicated video, not a dedicated video, a dedicated video to this movie, which I've already uploaded on Shorts, and it is really good. I loved Raincoat. It was my first Rituparna Ghosh movie, and I'm looking forward to watch more Rituparna Ghosh movie. और मुझे ऐसा regret हो रहा है कि why didn't I watch it earlier? Why didn't I discover Rituparna Ghosh before? But it was a really good movie, and I've received a lot of comments on different films that I watch. I am adding everything in my to be watched list, so don't worry, guys. I am reading your comments, I'm liking it, I'm reverting to them as well. So Raincoat, 10 on 10 any given day. Aishwarya Rai, amazing, 100 on 100. Ajay Devgan, I didn't know he acted so well until I watched it. मैं उसको बहुत हल्के में लेती थी कि 2 बाइक पे चढ़ के आता है, एंट्री लेता है, but no, Ajay Devgan did a very good job. Amazing. There's also Anu Kapoor in the film. I did not know, but he's done unka character was there for only I guess 5 or 4 minutes in the movie, but he steals the show. He steals the show. Okay, really good. You should watch it. It's a very I'll not say it is a very artistical movie or a very commercial. It is somewhere in between. It has the essence of art movies, It has the dialogues of commercial movies, but it's very nothing should stop you from watching that film. That's my point. Okay, 10 on 10. Last but not the least, Kamchor. Now this is a movie based in the 90s, or yeah, I guess yeah, it's a movie based in 90s. Not based, it was shot and like executed in 90s as well. It stars Rakesh Roshan, Hrithik Roshan's dad, and the story is really good. It is basically a guy who is very kamchor. He's very kamchor. He does not like to do any work, but he wants to earn money. He wants a wife. He wants to have kids. He wants a bungalow. He wants every good things in the life without working. So what happens in his life? He goes ahead. He learns what happens in his life, that he's turned around completely. He's now working hard to like provide to his wife. And the first part is completely hilarious, funny, loving, but second part is so emotional and hard and lovely. So yeah, 10 on 10 to that as well. Let me know if you guys need any specific review of movies or any shows that I need to watch. I would love to watch it and review for you guys. Subscribe to your girl. Lots of love.